Respect, honor your father and mother,
siku zako zipate kuwa nyingi
so that you may have long life
katika nchi upewayo na Bwana
in the land that God is going to give you.
Mungu wako.
Your God. Now, listen, it will begin at home. There at home, you, your mother, and your father, the three people. Assume that you don't have brothers and sisters. You are the only sister. You are the only daughter that the Lord has given your parent. And now, there is instruction that your father has given you that do this, and then you reject. Then you have rejected your God. You have refused to respect your father and mother. Then you have refused to respect your God, who is giving you long life. That's why so many people, their lives are being cut. During Friday, you hear people crying there. They are taking people from mortuary. They are taking to home. And I tell you, brothers, those people, their lives are, many of them, their lives have been cut short because they did not obey their parent. But those who have a long life, they respected their parent and follow the commandment that says, honor your father and mother. From number 5 to number 10, it is the commandment of between a human being and human beings. But from number 1 to number 4, it's between God and human being. Somebody said that it has been divided into 2. The 10 commandments has been divided into 2. There is a command of God and human being, and now there is a command of human being and human being. If you respect the property of your neighbor, the property of your parent, then you are respecting human being. Let us go.